My name is Tristan Duplechain and I am a photographer from Jackson, Mississippi. I'm showing you a behind the scenes look at a photo shoot that I just did of my son Finley, and it was super simple and super easy, and you can do this yourself, and you can also do this on an iPhone if you don't have the high-tech equipment. So I'm going to show you what I did, and then I can tell you how you can do it for a little bit cheaper. Some gear that you might want to have is a reflector. You're also going to want a heater, maybe a stand, and then of course you can go to Lowe's and get these floor panels for like 80 cents, and I just put it on top of a poster board that I got at Hobby Lobby for like 50 cents. It was super cheap. For me, my apartment has awesome patio window lighting, so I ended up using that, so it's all natural light plus the reflector. You can move it closer or further away to fill in the shadows. I just had an assistant that kind of tilted it forward to get rid of all the shadows. At first he was a little cranky, so I ended up putting a blanket and giving him a passy to calm him down. If you're doing this for a client, that might be something you want to do. Make sure they've been fed and changed before you start shooting, because if not, you might start having a baby that acts like this. Once I got him calmed down, I got some really awesome shots, and I did some details of his fingers and his feet. I did some close-in photos of his eyelashes and his little nose as well. These are just a couple little behind-the-scenes shots I just wanted to show. I used my 100mm Canon lens for these shots right here. I really loved how these turned out. They looked really good and really sharp and in focus. As far as these outfits, I actually ordered these like a couple of years ago for props for clients, and then I ended up never using them, so I ended up using them for him. So I don't remember where I got most of these outfits. I do believe the Fox one came from Walmart, I think. I'm not 100% sure. Always be sure that you're really safe with newborns, especially if you're handling clients' babies. Something that I did do, I forgot to record, but we did do like the little froggy pose with my son. I did have somebody help hold him, and then just kind of like let go of his hands, and then photographed, and then let go of his head, and then I photographed. So it just kind of ended up being one really cute combination photo, which you can see right here. And this is all the equipment that I used for this video and for my photos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram.